In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to log out from all other sections on Roblox. First thing you do is open up your Roblox app, and then from home menu here at the bottom we have some options. We have home, we have chat, we have avatar, we have party, we have more. Tap on more. Then we have settings. Tap on settings, and then you tap on security because we want to log out from all other sections on Roblox. So tapping on security, give it a few seconds to open up the settings here, and then you have different options. You go all the way down until you see where you are logged in. These are all the places you are currently logged into your Roblox account. This is this section over here. So you log out from all other sections by tapping on this option, log out from all other sections. If you do this, you'll be logged out from all other sections. Are you sure? If you are, confirm by tapping on log out. It's as simple as that. That is how to log out of all other sections on Roblox. Hope you found the video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.